Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you a haul from Hobby Lobby. I actually didn't go all out and just bought a bunch of stuff. This is over a period of time. Like, I've been buying this stuff for at least a month. I'll go in the store and buy like 2-3 items, go back again and buy another 2-3 items. So that's what we have been doing. So I will be showing you the haul. Also, I already have a ton of fall decor, but last year I didn't have a tier tray, and this year I get to decorate my tier tray, so I'm so excited about that. So most of this decor is for my tier tray, and then just a few things to put around the house. So are you ready for this haul?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so let's get started. So everything at Hobby Lobby was 40% off. Usually the closer you get to the season, it'll go down to 50 and then 66% off. But by that time, everything's pretty much picked over. So the first thing we got is this pumpkin. So let me get closer to it. This is usually by the pick. This one is by the pick section, and this was $6.99, but that's without the 40% off coupon. So with 40% off, that's what I pay for this. But it's more like a greenish cream color, so it with a little woodsy type pumpkin, and it's a pretty decent size. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but I have ideas. So what's next, baby?
So next,
So
next we got another pumpkin. It's kind of like creamy, it's kind of like creamy whitish.
It's more like a beige color, so let me get it close up.
But a little bit creamy.
It's like an off-white, more like a cream beige color, and it was also $6.99 for this pumpkin. I didn't want to go all pumpkin crazy. Walmart has not come out with their fall stuff yet, so I didn't want to just buy everything from Hobby Lobby. Go ahead, you can show them that one.
So next up we have like a little pumpkin on a stick with some wood. It's made out of wood, but
this is mainly for when you put it like in floral arrangements or when you want to make a wreath. But you can pretty much just pop the stick off, and if you want to use it as a regular pumpkin, you can. And this was only $5.99, and then of course 40% off. So it's more like a burnt orange color, and I love it. So I think I got 2 of those. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I got 2 of these. So
it's like a little bit of a different color.
That's right. It's more like a burnt orange. And this year, the colors that are popular are that copper color, that umber brown color, and that like navy blues and burnt orange. But sometimes I don't like switching up the colors every single year, because who buys a bunch of decor and then just switch the whole color next year? I just add to it. So next I got this cute little Scarecrow. I thought he was so cute, and this was definitely will be going in my tier tray. It was only $2.99, and of course with also 40% off, so it was super cheap. I think it was like $1 or something, but I thought he was cute and it would look great in my tier tray.
So but they have him in orange too.
They also had him in orange and also blue right here, but I like this burgundy kind of color, so I picked this one out.
I'm gonna hold it. So next we have a little truck with some fruit on it.
And what else? Pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
So here's the little red truck. This is one of the first purchases I made around the beginning of July, and they had this in blue as well, but of course I got the little red truck. Is the little red truck still popular? You guys comment down below. I still like the little red truck. So it has pumpkins and fruit and grapes and all kinds of stuff in the back. It reminds me of one of those Georgia trucks here. We live in the South, and you will always find fruit trucks outside. I don't know how they do it because it's like 100 degrees outside, but they're always selling fruit.
And it reminds me of those little hats that have fruit in it.
That's right. So the next thing we got was this basket.
It's a bit like a burnt brownish.
It's just like a regular basket.
But
this was $3.99, of course, with 40% off. And I'm thinking about putting this in my tier tray with some pumpkins in here. So I thought it was super cute, and it came in a bunch of different sizes as well. So if you want a bigger one, this will be perfect. But I thought it was super cute, and you can't beat the price for that. And then to put in here, I also bought this bag of pumpkins. They have like different varieties in here. How much was this, babe?
It's
$5.99, and then of course 40% off. So here's the different colors that they had. Let me focus on that. So you can see they had a bunch of different kinds there. Like if you don't like these type of colors, they also had white and they had like cream, and they had a different variety. But what day is today? So it's like the 11th of August. So I'm gonna try to post this video today. And when I went in there, everything was pretty much picked over. People buy their stuff early. People complain that they come out with their stuff early, but at the same time, people shop early. So by the time you decide to go buy your stuff, a lot of the stuff is already picked over.
I want to hold the stuff. So next we have some floral, they have like the orange wreaths. They're kind of like orangey, and then yeah.
So I got 3 of these picks, and they were $3.99 each, and of course with 40% off. So it's like a section where you could buy picks for either floral arrangements or to make your wreath. So you can pretty much make your own wreath. They have everything there for it. So I got these for my tier tray as well, and it was only $3.99 each with, of course, 40% off. And I just love this color, you guys. I absolutely love it. So hopefully I have an idea of how I'm going to decorate my tier tray, but I really won't know till I actually do it. So which one you want?
This one. So next we have a little gnome that's holding a flower. It has a yellow coat and then kind of like a yellow hat, flowers and berries and leaves on his hat too.
And this was $6.99, and of course they do 40% off with this. So I don't shop unless there's a sale, and if it's not on sale, I'll use the 40% off coupon, which if you have the Retail Me Not app on your phone, you can just type in Hobby Lobby and they'll give you the 40% off coupon. So if anything that's regular price item, hold on sweetheart, you can pretty much just use a coupon with it. So this is what the gnome looks like. I love gnomes. I just got into gnomes last year. Since when did they become popular? But now I really love them. And of course this, I'm planning on put this in my tier tray, but I don't know how it's gonna look once. I never decorated for fall on my tier tray. I got a tier tray last year for Christmas, and so I didn't decorate for Christmas, Halloween, or fall. But this year I'm gonna do a bunch of new things. So I can't wait. And I'll be decorating over on my main channel, and my main channel link is down in my description box if you guys want to check that out.
So next we have a goldish pinkish.
It's a rose gold.
A rose gold.
Acorn.
Acorn, and this is $5.99.
And of course with 40% off. So let me get it close up so they can see the actual color. They had actual gold. Look how pretty that is. They had actual gold color, and the top. Here you go. They had gold, and they had, what was the other color? It was silver. So this is the rose gold, and I'm planning on also putting this in my tier tray. I thought this was so pretty. Yeah. She's so excited to film.
So next we have these stands. They're actually 2, not like one of these things, but they're 2. So they're orange, and these are $2.99.
These were that's so I'm using them in my tier tray to prop up a lot of my decor on there. So they had like a greenish bluish color, and they had white, but pretty much all the other colors were gone, and a lot of them were chipped, so I had to go back and exchange them for the other ones. So pay attention to your stuff, because you don't want to come home and then you notice that your stuff is chipped up. But I got this for my tier tray as well. Here you go.
So next we have one of these light up houses. Yeah, you can light them up at the bottom. How much is this? It's right here. I don't know. Where is it? Oh, it's $5.99.
This house actually lights up, you guys, and I got this also for my tier tray. Pretty much everything is for my tier tray, and this was $5.99, but then of course 40% off, and it lights up. I don't think you guys will be able to see it light up. Yeah, you can't see it. I'm gonna have to pull this out. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if you can.
It's on the sides.
You can see it. See, it's lit up, but the lighting.
Yeah, and it's on the front, but you won't be able to see it.
Right, so I got that as well. Okay, so the best time to decorate, to buy your decor, in my opinion, is after the season is over. So whenever I get my decor 80% off, that's when I get a lot of my stuff. I don't like, even 40% off, I feel like, depends on how much the item is, I'll buy it. But my main decor, I will buy it after the season is over. So that's when I will go all crazy and all out and buy for the next year. That's a tip right there for you guys.
Both of the sides. I want both of the sides.
Here you go.
So we have two signs. This one says hello fall, and then this one says thanks and blessed. Thankful and blessed.
So show them. This one was how much, babe?
Let me see. I want to see it. It's $2.99.
So here you go. So they can see the sign also for my tier tray. This is gonna be so cute.
And then this one's $3.99 because it's a little bit bigger.
There you go.
So next we have some wooden wooden spoons.
And I'm gonna put that in my tier tray with one of the mugs.
It's $9.99.
It was $9.99, but of course with 40% off because I wasn't gonna pay no $9.99 for them.
It has some pumpkins on the top.
So I saw this in Shanti's haul. If you guys don't follow her over on Shanti's live vlogs, and she got this for her tier tray, and I thought that was a great idea. But I saw this, and they had other picks, but I didn't like the other ones. And then I saw some measuring spoons that were wood, so I asked Destiny which one did she want me to get, this one or the wooden spoons, and she picked these, so that's a good choice. But I will be putting this in my tier tray as well. And also, y'all, I'm so glad I was able to find this because
this is super pretty.
I got some beads for my tier tray.
And then it has this on the bottom. So
alright guys, I had to adjust that lighting because the sun came out. So here's what this looks like. It says,
tell the price.
It says gather.
It's $8.99.
And of course 40% off of that. And look at the colors. So I'm going to be putting this in my tier tray. So I'm glad that I found them because the main one that I went there to look for was already gone. It was more like a beige cream color, but it had this and it had a beige and gray. So I just got this one instead. So I got that. I also got some ribbon, and I also make some items like the rolling pins, the mini rolling pins that go on a tier tray. I make those and I sell them on my Etsy shop. So I got this ribbon to put on my mini rolling pin, so I got a ton of them there. If you guys want to check it out, the link is in my description box as well. And last but not least,
we have this sign. It says Autumn
Acres
Pumpkin Patch Apple
Cider
Hayride and Hot Cocoa. Hot cocoa.
And this sign was $3.99. And I thought that was super cute, but it was pretty much picked over. When we first saw it last month, it was a bunch of them there, but there was not many of them left. And that was everything that we got from Hobby Lobby.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, hit the bell. Hope you guys liked the video. Bye!
Bye guys!